Guys, I'm Welcome channel. Today I'm going to show you two methods to install two WhatsApp applications on your Oppo F23. So the first step, open the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp Business app. Install that one, and by this quick way we can have two WhatsApp applications on one phone. Now it's installed, and how you can see we have two WhatsApp apps. That was the first method. Now the second app. Go to the Play Store and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the two accounts, so we can launch it. Decide that we want to get notifications and agree the terms. Now allow our permissions to the files and tap on the WhatsApp to start whole process. And now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.